Sir, we caught these kids snooping around.
Now tell Santa what you were thinking.
We're sick of not getting Christmas presents.
It's been 3 years and not one gift.
What are we, animals?
How do you expect us to enjoy Christmas?
Oh, that's what this is all about. Presents. Christmas isn't about presents.
I am sorry, friend Santa, but you are the crazy.
Even on the naughty list, even without presents, you can still enjoy Christmas. You see...
Oh, here we go.
Christmas is a time for family and friends to come together, a time for the people of the world to forget their troubles and instead focus on being good to one another.
Well, that's a beautiful sentiment, Santa. But tell me, if Christmas isn't about presents, why do you own a giant toy factory?
Oh, that. It's just a bit of fun. It's meaningless to the holiday, really.
Well, if it's meaningless, you won't mind if I do this.
My, you really are naughty, aren't you?
We've got gifts!
Santa actually brought us gifts?
And delivered them early, baby!
Cole?
This is Cole.
Santa brought us nothing but...
Cole.
We got Cole! All aboard!
Cole!
Cole!
Cole is the power energizing the world!
Best Christmas ever!
No.
Santa Claus?
Coal is a garbage gift. Only terrible children get coal. Everyone knows that.
So you're still mad at us?
Of course I'm still mad at you. Hence the coal.
Well, I'm keeping my coal. I love it.
Wait, how did you get in here?
We do not have the chimney.
A little Christmas magic. Friends.
Just tell us what you're doing here.
I've decided that if I can't have every holiday, I don't want any holidays. And then that's right. Santa Claus is quitting Christmas. Wow.
You trying to shock us? Because it didn't work.
Yeah, we don't get presents anyway. So what if you quit?
It's not just you who won't get presents. It's every child in the world. Woo.
He's right.
No presents on Christmas morning? You monster.
You cannot abandon your duty to the human children.
You don't get it. It's over. I'm done. Merry Christmas, you garbage kids. Garbage kids! Why don't you come out peacefully? Children, Santa has presents for you.
Ooh, the presents.
Classy, Beast Boy. Real classy.
Must you always have the sarcastic put-up and smart remark?
Hey, someone has to be the smart one around here.
Azarath Metrion Zinthos.
Dude, what are you doing?
Creating a portal to escape my despair. Azarath Metrion
Zinthos.
That cloak didn't give you any powers, bro. It just made you no fun.
Super no fun.
You are a total sack of the sadness, Cyborg.
Yeah, grumpy Grumpster McGrumpy Pants.
Oh, look at you. Oh, you're so sad. Oh, I'm just gonna cry all day.
Boo-hoo.
Mwah, my life is so dark and gloomy.
Oh, man.
Enough!
Hey, Raven.
Ah!
Just wanted to make sure you're meditating in an optimal environment.
Doing great. Thanks.
Okay, this is boring. Now this is how you meditate. Oh, meditate with me, y'all. Oh, meditate with me, Ray.
Hey, guys. Where's Raven?
She's probably in.
He has no idea what you're saying. You have to speak his language. She be 3 doors down on ye starboard side, matey.
So, down the hall?
Aye, matey.
Ooh, only the true pirate would understand such strange words.
What happened to you?
Working on my new power moves without you. Speaking of, where's Robin anyways? I thought he was merge obsessed.
Well...
Who cares? I'm just glad that he's not around for once.
Hey, Beast Boy.
Ah! What are you doing in there?
I moved in. It's the ultimate merging of our power. Beast Boy, where are you? Answer me! He's not responding.
And Tara's not in her room.
Somebody want to explain how 200 armed robots got past my security? Can't even access the computer. We're locked out.
They are too numerous to fight! What shall we do?
Fight anyway. Titans, go!
Metrion Zinzo! That's my room. Nobody goes in my room.
Don't know how you guys got in, but I know how you're getting out.
He is unquestionably persistent.
But why? There's nothing to capture, nothing to steal. Why did Slade send him here? I'll just go somewhere I'm appreciated. Never thought I'd have to use this. I don't know why I didn't come here years ago. You guys are everything I ever wanted in a team. The exact opposite of my team. Grobyc, the opposite of Cyborg. Quiet, thoughtful, and 99% human. Nevar, the opposite of Raven. Great attitude, smiles a lot, into spring fashion trends. Boy Beast, the opposite of Beast Boy. Smart as a whip and a real go-getter, with the ability to turn into any boy in the world. And Aristocrats, the opposite of Starfire. Well, maybe not everyone is an improvement.
Me put you in friend zone. Mwah, mwah.
Yeah, stay back. Now, tell me why you got rid of Nybor.
Nybor never always want to train.
Only eat the junk food and sleep.
Me need structure.
Then do I have a book for you? What do you think? Can I be your new leader?
No!
Now, let's follow some rules. Bizarro Titans, go! Excellent form on those hurdles, Grobyc.
He compliment Grobic's form. Who he not think he is?
You're doing amazing, Nevar.
How polite.
Almost there, Boy Beast. Keep it up.
Yeah, I'm too nice.
Great job, guys.
Too good.
Great work today, team. You really outdid yourselves.
We enjoying your leadership very much, Robin.
Thank you.
And me feelings for you have not changed at all.
Wait, is that backwards talk?
No.
Was that backwards talk?
Yes.
Very confusing. But I'm going to assume you all love me. Now, excuse me while I work up that new training regimen. I am just loving these Bizarro Titans.
Ugh. Me did not know that Robin's such inspirational and great leader.
What am we do then?
Me not have the plan.
Am you enjoying training, Titans?
Man, making Nybor team leader was the best idea we've ever had.
Training time am over, Nybor.
Bizarro Titans and Robin?
What are you doing here?
Nothing much. They just brought me over to tell you personally what a great job I'm doing and how they never want me to leave.
That is what the Bizarro said?
Yes.
The backwards talking guys told you how much they love you.
They wouldn't stop saying how much they love me.
We am healthy and rested of Robin. Give us back Nybor later.
Listen up, you backward bozos. We don't want Robin.
We want him very much.
You keep it.
Start! Me did not know Bizarro Titans care so little about Nybor. Me, I'm sorry for not leaving.
It's okay, Nybor. You know we always hate you.
Come off, guys. Let's have him go home.
No one can save you now. Give the song to me! No! There is no escape, Metal Man. Soon, the night will shine no more.
Where?
We're back.
But where's Cyborg?
He must be trapped in the dimension of the night shines.
We gots to go back for him.
But the only way in is through the power of the song.
Then we'll sing our way in. When I look at you, I see the story in your eyes. When you're dancing, the night begins to shine. The night begins to shine. The night begins to shine.
Oh, please, Beast Boy.
Why isn't it working?
Probably because you sing like garbage.
The song was made from magic, and the magic is the key to that land.
Without that little miracle created by BER, the dimension is closed to us forever.
Not necessarily. We might not be able to recreate the magic, but I bet if we turn to some of the biggest artists in music today, they could help us.
Why? Why would they do that?
Because there's nothing famous musicians love more than fulfilling the weird requests of random fans.
Let me tell you a story, little machine man. Once, long ago, I had created a kingdom without rival. No one dared challenge me. But then, they came. 3 astral beings, born from the collision of 1,000 planets and imbued with the power of stardust. BER. Together, they created a sound more powerful than any. The night begins to shine gave birth to an entirely new reality, warping space and time around itself. For millennia, no one dared to challenge me. My power was so great. And yet, their song left me helpless as a newborn babe. They were too radical. From that day forward, the night would always shine in this land. But BER feared what might happen if the song fell into the wrong hands. My hands. So, they sealed it within a cassette tape and hid it away from this world. And then, like that, BER disappeared as quickly as they had come. I never thought I'd hear that song again. But you brought it right to me. Now, I'll use it to take back what is mine.
You're wasting your time. BER will just stop you again.
Fool! They're in hiding! No one will find them! BER is gone forever!
I'm 20% of BER, so there's still 80% out there. Until you find Carl Burnett and Franklin Ania, there's no band.
So where'd you think they are?
No idea. These guys are ghosts, man. Phantoms. If they don't want to be found, they won't be. After all the things we saw, I wouldn't be surprised if they disappeared for good.
Found them.
You did?
Yeah, the internet makes it really easy to find people.
Well, you may have found them, but I'm not sure they'll want anything to do with BER.
I just texted them. They're coming over now. Whoa. They were serious. Ah. The booger monster was real?
Yes, and we could not defeat him.
He destroyed our beloved city.
Cyborg is in a robot coma!
I told you there was nothing funny about April Fool's pranks. No good can come from being cruel to your friends.
We've learned our lesson, Mama. No more pranks or lies. Just the real reals.
Then, be real, Beast Boy.
This is me getting as reals as I can. I love you, girl.
I love you too.
If Cyborg's robot coma has taught me anything, it's that some chances are worth taking. Raven, will you marry me?
Yes!
You're awake!
Yes. These expressions of love and truth saved me from my robot coma. I know how precious life is now. That's why I'm leaving the Titans to pursue my dream of being in the Justice League.
It seems today is the day we all leave childish things behind. Pranks, jokes, and tomfoolery have no place here. And my identity must reflect that. From this day forward,
Call me Nightwing.
The hair, so beautiful.
We'll go our separate ways. I guess this is it. This is the end of Teen Titans Go.
Nightwing, kiss me now.
April Fools!
You guys thought I hated pranks. I love pranks.
You are the queen of April Fools! April Fools! We got you.
This is a good one.
You're about to become a speed bump.
Only one problem with that plan, big guy. You have to catch me first. No. Miss me. Miss me again. Nope. I'm over here. Catch.
Run as fast as you can! If you can't catch me, catch you and I'll be numerous!
So, what are you, psychic or something?
Nah, we're tracking your heat trail, dummy. Nah!
I didn't know you cared.
Oh, did I move this?
Looks like you got me.
That's right! And when we're through with you, we're gonna... What are we gonna do with them?
Let's take him apart and see what makes him tick. I told you, we need to call...
Oh, don't let them spoil our fun. Yeah, let's hang him on the wall like a big mouth bass.
Don't I get a say in this?
Hey, what'd you get? Those are mine!
Wait. If you're called the Hive 5, how come there are 6 of you?
'Cause it sounds cooler?
This is boring. We're gonna go watch wrestling.
You dweebs better not hog the sofa!
Don't have much of an attention span, do they?
You have no idea. Stop that. Who do you work with?
I work alone these days. You get a nice place. Very secret lair.
Quit changing the subject.
Does it bother you that all those guys never listen to you?
Why are you so interested in me?
There's something about you that's different. I think you can do better. Could I get some mustard? This looks a little dry.
Have your fun. In a minute, you're gonna wish you were never born.
Oh, right. You want to see what makes me tick?
You're an idiot. I'm turning you over to the Brotherhood of Evil.
You're joking, right? You're not joking. Jinx, you don't want to get mixed up with them.
Watch me.
You're making a big mistake.
This is a reserved frequency. Who are you?
Madame Rouge, my name is Jinx. First, I just want to say I've been your biggest fan since Junior Hive Academy, and
You are wasting my time. What do you want?
We've captured Kid Flash.
Did you? I would not expect him to be detained by amateurs. Listen carefully. What is your name?
It's Jinx, Jinx.
Jinx. You will not feed him. You will not speak to him, and I trust you are holding him in a level 4 containment field?
Naturally.
Very good. I am on my way.
Yes! What do you think of that? Ah!
You're not walking out of here, Robin. Not without a fight.
Titan!
so fast, Robin. You have yet to achieve your objective.
The device was too heavily guarded. I'll have to steal it another...
No! Go back. Unless you want me to destroy them, go back and fight.
Robin! Look, I don't know what's going on, but we don't want to fight. We just want to talk.
Guess there's nothing to talk about.
Please.
Don't make me.
Dude, are you okay?
Fight to win, Robin. Use the thermal blaster.
Azarath Metrion Synthos!
Can't see. No!
Come on, man. Don't make me do this. I don't want to do this.
Stop! Do not move.
I thought I told you to use that blaster.
Attack! Now!
Robin, you are my best friend. I cannot be in a world where we must fight. If you are truly evil, then go ahead. Do what you must.
Starfire, no!
Robin! I gave you an order. If you won't attack, my probes will.
Stop! Please stop!
Attack, Robin. It's the only way to save them. Attack with everything you've got.
Robin!
I'm sorry.
That's my boy.
Tell me about it.
Very well. Robin, Cyborg, and Beast Boy have been trapped inside tiny wooden bodies while a nasty creature called the Puppet King has taken control of their real bodies, which he is using to hunt us down, and you and I are in the wrong bodies, and...
Starfire, you have to calm down. My powers are driven by emotion. The more you feel, the more energy you unleash.
But what if they find us? What if our friends are doomed? What if I am stuck looking like this forever?
We'll fix it. I don't know how, but we will rescue the boys and we will get our bodies back. What's wrong with the way I look?
Nothing. I will try to calm down. Peace, quiet, tranquil.
We are so doomed.
Beast Boy!
You mean zombie Beast Boy. Run! Fly, fly!
We cannot fight them again. I do not wish to, and in our present condition, we would surely be defeated.
Okay, how do you fly this thing?
You must feel flight.
What?
When you feel the unbridled joy of flight, you will fly.
Unbridled joy? Not really my thing. What do I have to feel to use starbolts?
Righteous fury.
Your alien strength?
Boundless confidence.
Never mind.
Wait for me, please!
If I can't fly, you have to levitate. You know those words I always...
Yes!
Wait, you have to focus.
Azrath Metreon Zinthos! I wish to stop. Please tell me the way to stop.
Look at the ground and imagine... Wait!
I smell like the breath of a Snervian flortworm. Raven, what are you...
Shh!
Hi! Oh, that...
Better?
Much. Thanks.
I welcome you. There are few problems that Tamaranian acupressure will not solve.
Now we can focus on solving our other problem. Titans, any luck finding our jewel thief?
We found something worse.
Teen Titans, go!
Azrath Metreon Zinthos!
Thanks for the lift, Raven. Ah! We're gonna need backup.
We're on our way.
Don't bother. Even if you defeat a few of my children, you won't be able to stop me from releasing the entire swarm. Unless you want your city reduced to a moth-eaten wasteland, you'll do exactly as I say.
What do you want?
My demands are simple. The city will declare me ruler, the Teen Titans will surrender, and Robin will take this lovely young lady to her junior prom.
Hi, Robbie Pooh.
What was that last part again?
Robin, who is this girl? And why does she call you Pooh?
Her name is Kitten, and you will take her to prom.
This prom is some manner of duel, yes? Robin eagerly accepts.
It's not a duel, Star. It's a date.
He does not accept! Do you hear? Robin does not accept!
We're going to need a minute.
Odium, scandal, atrocity! These demands must not be met!
Cyborg,
Clearly,
report.
this demented
How bad is
madman
it?
has no idea.
Bad. Can't hold him off much longer. If you're gonna do something, do it quick.
Out of his mind if he believes you would even consider such a distasteful...
I have to do it.
What?
It's the only way to save the bridge. The only way to give us enough time to stop Killer Moth.
But...
I have to, Starfire, no matter how much I don't want to. And I really don't want to.
Do we have a deal?
I'll take the girl to prom.
Don't tell me. Ask her.
You've gotta be...
Do it!
Kitten, was it?
Meow.
Right. Will you go with me to the prom?
Oh, Robbie Poo! I thought you'd never ask!
Insufficient equipment.
Personal foul body odor!
Illegal perspiration.
Roughing the nature!
It's working! We're constantly stopping the game and nobody cares!
Hopefully Robin has found the something by now.
Defense! 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 Defense!
Any leads yet?
I need more time!
I'm here with a pretty boy quarterback, since he's the only player anybody knows. He's thrown for 3 TDs, 200 yards, and he deflated 4 footballs. But the most important statistic is that fans spend more time thinking about these pointless numbers than their personal finances. That's super crazy, right? Over to Beast Boy for more pointless chatter.
Thanks, Raven. I's here to fill time with some of them good old sports cliches. This team is really playing to their strengths. They're taking it one play at a time. This is a game for the ages, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I got to take a moment to get super serious. Even though we're just talking about men's throwing a ball. Halftime?
Done, Titans. You've uncovered my centuries-old plot to make soccer interesting.
Give it up, Goal. No more magicking people into liking soccer.
I must, or the sport would never survive. It's just people kicking a ball and pretending to be hurt. Who would watch that?
One way or another, we're going to settle this.
Then how about on the field? One goal. Sudden death.
And if we win, you call back all the soccer trolls.
And if we lose?
Sudden death. I said sudden death, didn't I? Thought I said sudden death. Sudden death!
He's really good.
You lose, Titans. Time to die.
You're forgetting one thing, Goal. The Titans are...